Okay, this quick little video will show you how to do a 0-point calibration with the ALLDATA. Plug it in, connect to the vehicle. If you see this, stop and update your tool, please and thank you. Okay, and do a quick little rundown on resetting 0-point on Toyota products. Yaw rate, steering angle, whatever you want to call it. First, connect to your vehicle. Make sure you don't have any surprising DTCs. That could be another issue. You're going to go into either skid control, ECU, or ABS, whatever it's called on your tool. Okay, on this one, we go into system test, 0 calibration. And then you got to read the fine print. You really should read through all the service info first. But it's pretty straightforward. Vehicle on a level surface, steering wheel straight ahead, in bay, engine off, steering wheel straight, nothing earth shattering. And then you're going to start the test and you're going to watch down here. You're going to see lights blinking like crazy. Or if you have indicators on already, you're going to wait for them to blink out. That's it. It's done. Sometimes you got to do it 2 or 3 times to get it to take, but it usually goes through right like that. So that's it. Hope it helps someone out. Another somewhat common relearn, which is also within this menu. This is where your ABS bleed is going to be as well. Obviously, we're in ABS. Just throwing that out there. But your linear valve offset calibration. Same deal. Read service info. Do not touch the brake. Make sure the parking brake is set. Sit there, engine off. This one will take about 2 minutes. Not that you shouldn't have already, but always make sure you got a good battery in a vehicle. Don't, oh, it's got a shorted cell, but I got a power maintainer on it. Don't do that. Put a good battery in it, always. Don't do this without a good battery in it. So this one will take about 2 minutes to complete. You'll see a little tick down there. And same deal, lights going nuts. Wait for them to blink out till it's done. So let me cut this out. Almost there. Still blinking away. That's it. Indicators are out. Let's double check, make sure we don't have any codes. That's it. Happy, happy, happy. Life is good. Y'all have a blessed one.